Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to download and install IPTV apps on your Samsung Smart TV in 2025. Whether you want to watch line TV, sports or international channels, this guide will help you set it up quickly and safely. Let's get started. Open Samsung Smart Hub. Here's how to access the app store. Then press the home button on your Samsung remote. Then navigate to apps on Samsung Smart Hub. Once inside, select the search icon magnifying glass in the top right. Now let's find good IPTV apps. Then the next step is search for IPTV apps. Here are following popular and trusted IPTV apps. So like Smart IPTV apps, then IBO player. Here is the apps and you can see the stream smarter being better with our media player service. Explore, you can see this. Here you can see, scroll down and meet our partner application. So then install the app. Once you find the IPTV app, select it, then click install. Wait for the apps to download, and when finished you can launch it directly or access it anytime from the home of app. Then go to the app section. After launching the app, you will usually see a MAC address or device ID on screen. Go to the IPTV apps official website on your PC or phone. Upload your M3U playlist or extreme codes. Then register the apps on your TV. That's it. Your IP channel sound should now load and be ready to watch. Here you can see all the information is here. Hope you are enjoying this video and it will help you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.